Alright, so I started tearing it out. Just tearing it out. Look at, we had some rain recently. You see how wet and gross that is? Yep. It's pretty much. Yeah, that's not good. Gross. Sure to lick my fingers later. Got some Doritos. See the mess already, but we've started. And I got it down to just the roof. And this little guy, I'm gonna rip all this, but it's about to go and have a soda pop. Figured I'd show you where I'm at now. So it's looking, hopefully, and I'm gonna have to replace this piece too. That piece back there. Pretty much all the way around this whole front part, and then probably this door frame. It's not bad, but it's bad. I mean, yeah, all right here is pretty bad. Oh yeah, you can see outside. So we'll see as I dig deeper into it. And go pick up some wood and some side paneling and insulation. Probably peel this all back and replace all this. This is all good. Doesn't seem bad at all, but I'm just gonna take it back to this one and just in case wherever it was leaking, do something with that. But here we are, and you know what this means. Either I never finish it, or I never finish it. Oh man, this is where you dig in and you just find out that it's just fucking gone. Oh, it's alright. It's not, I've seen worse. This one's not too bad, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. Alright. And there's all the junk that was from the roof. Got it all out. Sorry, I was looking at a car driving by. You never know where people be coming from. That's it. And I've done a video working on this. And I haven't made a video on this yet. And I've been wanting to, but she's a project, but it's a full-on rally car. It's automatic though, but there's a story behind this. I guess this guy who had this car made some sort of like super trick transmission to where it actually shifts like, you know, almost like a pre-runner truck, and I guess it ripped it when it was running good, and he actually raced it. You can still kind of see the name on the window, Rancho Transmission. You gotta drill holes in it, make it faster. That's how it came. She's thrashed, dude, and I was okay with it because I'm going to drive the living shit out of it. Well, you gotta have those when you're racing. You seriously, they won't even let you race without those. It's got all the fun stuff, and like this thing's been hammered on. Someone had so much fun with it, but it's got the wide body kit. Missing, well, I can't even get back far enough. Ouch. Got the hood pins. Is it open? Yep. I think the turbo's toast. There's a problem. I think it's spewing oil in there. I had it fired up, but it was just running horrible. But this thing's gonna be a ripper. And that's now the pre-runner. This thing's got the I-beams on the Toyota. single king, like a 16-inch. And you got the dual bypass and this coil, all that fun stuff. Got it covered from the rain. But I gotta get some video of driving this thing around. I never do, I always forget, and I just go whomping. Don't even think about it, but this actually runs. But as for the lazy days, I'll be back in a minute.